Spring has finally arrived, and I couldn't wait to get the drone up in the air. It's a stunning day here at Hillsborough Forest Park, and I'm so glad I can bring you along with me. Hope you enjoy the flight. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. It's free. And yeah, I look forward to having you along with me in more of my journeys. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Take it easy.